Welcome to Planes, Trains, and Boats Online. Now includes transport trucks. We are currently in BC on Trans-Canada Highway, Highway number 1, which is coast to coast from BC to Newfoundland. And we happen to be in BC. It's absolutely beautiful scenery around here, full of mountains and lakes and trees. Lots and lots of trees. Can't forget trees. I'm telling you. If you can't see the trees, and I'm telling you, I think you're blind. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. It is the first one. This will be episode 1. For this channel. So I hope you like and subscribe, and you can see more of this. And in the process of doing this, you might have seen some videos already of trains, and it'll happen to be from the cockpit of a transport truck. That would be that would be what I was finding. And then that means that the hood of this truck is familiar. So you've been in my truck already if you've seen those videos. So to the right, if the trees weren't so full, should be able to see a lake, which now should be straight ahead of you. And it's a beautiful area. We're about halfway through BC. Yeah, I like this kind of view. Look at this. I've been driving truck now for 24 years. I do this because I want to show you guys what it looks like out here. So sit back and relax. Get yourself a soda or popcorn or a beer if that's the case, if you're old enough. If you're not, then stay away from that beer. But sit back and enjoy. Said it already. If you like this, hit that like, subscribe button, and like I said, you'll see some more. I'm not too sure if I said that or not. I've made a few videos so far today. I'm losing track of what I have said and what I have not said. We have another channel, the Truck Spotting Great Lakes. If you are interested in going and checking that out as well, then go and check it out. But this channel is pretty cool too. We got a variety of all kinds of things in this channel. The trucks is just part of the new part of the channel, which from what I see you guys are enjoying. So, let's bring you something new. able to see it better than I did, because all I saw was blinding light. So I'm currently driving a 860 Volvo. It's got two couches and a table underneath, and a bed up top, which that's where I sleep, me and my dog. I have a little Jack Russell slash pug of a dog. She's 13 pounds, or sorry, I guess last time we checked it was 12 pounds. And she's been in my truck now for almost 12 years. Tomorrow happens to be her birthday. Huh. So her birthday is September 11th, 9/11. So while everybody else is remembering that day, we are celebrating that day. I would say best thing that came into my life, but second best thing. Well, there's two really good things that came into my life. Chance is one of them. And that person knows who that person is. That's the other one of mine. So even though it may not show it some days, and I have a bit of an attitude, and but it does happen. Doesn't mean that I don't care. Logging community. I'll turn this camera a little bit. There's all logs out there, out in the water. Sorry for the marks. I think I should turn the camera back. Try to clean a clean spot on the camera, but it turned out being, well, it would be clean if the sun wasn't blaring right into the windshield. So I started this trip out in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Now I am now on the other side of Canada into BC. I'm not that far away from Vancouver, BC. So, if you like this kind of video, like and subscribe, and there'll be more. So, with that, I hope you have a safe one, and have a great night. Bye for now.